The name Bermuda Triangle instantly recalls one thing: stories of things disappearing. For decades, people have been trying to make sense of this place, where ships and planes go in, but sometimes never come out. Let's explore. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the Western Atlantic Ocean, shaped by connecting Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. This triangle covers about 500,000 square miles of open sea. It's not marked on any official map. There are no warning signs. Yet, for over a century, it's been linked to disappearances that have left people scratching their heads. The term Bermuda Triangle didn't appear until the 1960s. But strange events were being reported long before that. Stories of ships that never arrived, planes that went silent mid-flight, crews that disappeared without a word. One of the most well-known cases was Flight 19. It happened in 1945. 5 US Navy bombers left Florida on a routine training mission. Not long after takeoff, the pilots radioed in. They were lost. Their compasses weren't working. Nothing looked familiar. Moments later, communication stopped completely. To make things even more mysterious, the rescue plane sent to search for them also disappeared. Altogether, 6 aircraft and 27 men vanished, without wreckage, signals, or explanation. It was this case that first brought the Bermuda Triangle into the spotlight. But Flight 19 wasn't the only one. In 1918, a massive Navy ship, the USS Cyclops, disappeared while carrying over 300 men. It was heading to Baltimore, but it never arrived. No storm, no distress call, just silence. Then, in the late 1940s and early 50s, commercial planes like the Star Tiger and Star Ariel vanished mid-flight. The weather had been clear. There were no signs of trouble. And just like that, they were gone. Over time, dozens of such stories piled up. Small boats, cargo ships, private planes. Some of them simply disappeared off the radar. No debris, no final messages, nothing. Naturally, people began to ask questions. What's really happening here? Several theories have emerged. Some are based on science. Others drift into speculation. One theory suggests that the region is prone to sudden, violent storms. Other points to the Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that could easily scatter wreckage far from the original site. Some believe the area has magnetic anomalies that mess with navigation instruments. There's even the idea that methane gas bubbles rising from the seafloor could reduce water density, causing ships to sink rapidly. All of these explanations sound possible, but so far none of them fully explain every disappearance. Scientists, on the other hand, tend to be more skeptical. They argue that there's no solid evidence the Bermuda Triangle is any more dangerous than other parts of the ocean. Many so-called Bermuda Triangle incidents happened outside its actual boundaries. And in several cases, media reports were inaccurate or exaggerated. Some details got added later. Others were misremembered or misunderstood. Despite that, the mystery still holds on. Why? Because not all the questions have answers. Take Flight 19. Even with years of research, experts still can't fully explain what happened. And maybe that's the real power of the Bermuda Triangle, not in the danger, but in the unknown. Human beings are naturally drawn to mystery. We're fascinated by things we can't fully explain. Stories where people vanish without a trace feel different. They spark our imagination. They make us wonder, what if? The Bermuda Triangle represents that feeling perfectly. A place in the world where normal rules might not apply, where logic takes a step back, where the unknown still has room to exist. So, is the Bermuda Triangle truly dangerous? Most likely, no. Science says it's just another part of the ocean, but because of a few unsolved cases and the way those stories have been told, it continues to feel like something more. And maybe that's why the legend stays alive. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, feel free to leave a comment. Do you think the Bermuda Triangle is just a myth? Or could there still be something strange happening out there? See you in the next video, where we explore the secrets of Petra, the lost city carved in stone, hidden deep in the desert.